Your voice sounds like crap.
Shut up! Everything alright with you? As a matter of fact, nameless Diesel? Yes, you have. I just seen an awesome movie and I'm happy! Actually, I'm not nameless. I'm D261. As if I care. Alright, I don't like you steam engines very much, but I just couldn't help. What the heck is wrong with you, dude? Well, dude, it goes like this. I am obsessed with the movie Coraline. Yeah, so it turns out I love the movie so much, I disrespect everyone who hates the movie. Well, would you lose interest in me if I told you the movie was crap to begin with? Yes! How can you not like the movie? It's the best in the world. Well, you're not joking, are you? Does this look like a face who jokes? Well, technically no, but... Well, then the movie's crap. I honestly can't believe you did that to me. What do you expect? Some little girl opens up a door that leads some sort of passageway to another world and then meets her other mother with button eyes? If that doesn't scream irony, I don't know what does. You know what, D261, or whatever the hell your name is? I disrespect you in any other way, forever and all eternity. Good day to you, son. Well, I never thought this day would finally arrive. This is an engine that I've been wanting for a long time. Whew. And I can't believe I finally have it. I do hope it works, even if he says, oh, it's brand new. I really hope it works. Alright, now let's open this. Is it just that one tape? Oh, knocked over the Pennsylvania coaches. Nope, apparently it's on the other side too. I literally just came home from work, and I did have 2 packages today. And if you're interested, I'll show you what the other is in a second. Pretty tight. Okay then. Cover up the address here, since stupid me realized I thought I was smart enough to try and cover up said address, but I have to cut across the top. Yep. Alright, let's see if there's any addresses inside. And it looks like there isn't. We're all good. That's interesting. Anyways, we should be good. Alright. Alright, now the model is wrapped in this newspaper. Alright, now let's see. Taped up. Alright. So as you can tell by the back of it, it's a Thomas & Friends model. And this is our 9064 diesel D261. Oh yes, this is a diesel from Thomas & Friends that I've been wanting for a long time, and I have him. The box looks in good condition. He looks in good condition too. Wow, it's so awesome. He's brand new too. There is a bit of a smudge here. I'm not really sure what that is. He did point it out, but yeah. Anyways, let's take him out of the box. He is brand new, by the way, like I keep saying. Oh, he's got instructions. Sweet. Okay. Sorry if I feel shaken up. A little bit nervous. Okay, this is usually for steam engines, and this is a diesel. I don't know why they put that in here. This is locomotive maintenance instructions. Yep, the usual. Alrighty. Get D261 out. My first ever Hornby diesel locomotive. I can just push him out, can I? Yeah. And there he is. Wow. So awesome. It looks like he's got one of those Ringfield motors. You can just see the gears there. Yeah. Should be easy to service, hopefully. Let's see if he is brand new. He may have been on the track before, maybe to be tested or something. I'm not sure. But yeah. Anyways, let's see if he runs. Alright, I was actually very lucky to get this engine. I got him, obviously, off eBay. From an American seller, believe it or not. And it kind of caught me. And yeah, like I said, I was very lucky enough to bid on this, and I won. I actually won. Alright, let's see if he moves. Please, please work. There's some hair on the track. Okay, got him. Please work. Please. Oh, yes! Yes! He works! Oh, no way. I think he might need some oil or some running in, but hey, you know, it works. Or he works. Oh, I'm so happy. And the other thing I noticed, even though this is probably Hornby's mistake, but they based them on the Class 37 tooling, which is not really the correct prototypical classification of D261, since that he's actually a Class 40. But hey, you know, I don't mind that. He still looks like D261, and I am very happy with it. Very, very happy. I really do love this. I really do. Such an awesome engine. He's been running for, I'd say, nearly 5 minutes, and I think he's already sped up a little bit. Yeah, he might need a bit of some more running time, but hey, I'll let him do that. Absolutely love this. It looks like he already sped up in the speed a little bit. We'll stop him in front of the camera. Yeah, absolutely love this engine. Great model. Now already a great runner. And it's pretty rare too, is what I heard. This thing is actually pretty hard to get. I was certainly lucky to stumble upon this and win it in an auction. So yeah, that is very good. That is very, very cool. I really am enjoying this thing. I'm definitely going to have fun running him, especially with some Pullman coaches, or maybe not just Pullman coaches, Thomas and Friends coaches. Maybe I might do that in a separate video, but other than that, this one is fine. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to have fun with this thing now, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot to show you guys what else I bought, since I already did say that. I did do an unboxing of it from a package that it came with, because why bother? It's not a model train thing anyway. But this is it. This is, what else? Something else I bought that came with D261. But, yeah, I did say it, but now you know. I'm a huge Coraline fan, as a lot of you can guess.